Hey, tech lovers, are you in the market for a new microSD card? Well, you might just be in luck, because today I'm going to dive into the SanDisk 128GB wide Ultra MicroSDXC UHSI memory card. Let's get into why this might be the perfect addition to your gadget collection. First off, let's talk about the storage. With 128GB, this SanDisk Ultra MicroSD card gives you ample space. Whether you're a professional photographer, a drone enthusiast, or someone who just loves to have all your media on your phone, this card has got you covered. Now, speed is where it gets interesting. The card offers transfer speeds of up to 140 milliloballs per second. Imagine transferring your HD videos from your camera to your computer in less than half the time it usually takes. This speed is a game changer, especially when you're out in the field or on a tight deadline. But what about compatibility and durability? This card comes with an adapter and is compatible with a wide range of devices, whether it's your smartphone, tablet, or camera. This micro SD card slots in seamlessly. Moreover, SanDisk promises durability. This card is temperature-proof, waterproof, shockproof, and even X-ray proof. So, no matter your adventure, your data stays safe. Let's not overlook the full HD capability. This isn't just any storage card. It's optimized for high-quality, full HD video recordings. This means smoother video playback and better performance in capturing life's moments. And with the A1 rating, app performance on your smartphone will feel snappier, reducing load times significantly. So, who is this card perfect for? If you love capturing high-quality video and photos, or if you need a reliable card that keeps up with your active lifestyle, then the SanDisk 128GB Ultra MicroSDXC could be your new best friend. Its combination of speed, capacity, and durability makes it a strong contender in the world of microSD cards. But, as always, your choice depends on your specific needs. If your devices support higher speeds, or you need even more robust performance for 4K videos, you might want to explore cards with faster write speeds and higher performance ratings. So, there you have it, folks. The SanDisk 128GB Ultra MicroSDXC UHSI memory card. Whether it's the best microSD card for you depends on your needs and how much you value speed, capacity, and durability. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to hit that like button if you found this review helpful. Catch you in the next video.